Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you hate throwing food scraps into the garbage as much as I do, then you're gonna love this food waste processor that I got from FoodCycler. So at first I wasn't sure if it could really handle chicken bones or even things like citrus peels, avocado pits, or avocado peels. And I have to say I am so impressed. Like you can't even believe it when you put those items in and then you open it up again and where did they go? They've turned to dust. It's amazing. It turns your food waste into a dry, nutrient-rich byproduct. So this is so nice to be able to integrate into your soil. I love to garden and I love how quick this is. I did find that it works best when you cut up citrus peels and avocado peels. So I just quickly chop it up and the smell is so nice. Speaking of smell, I have put everything from bones to broccoli in here and I don't smell anything. The carbon filter works really, really well. You're not gonna wash this unless you see that there's some food stuck on the blades or the side. I just soaked it with some warm soapy water and then used a little scrub brush. We do have limited counter space, so I either leave it on the counter or put it on the floor. And I love that it comes with a bucket that comes out of the machine. I just leave that again on my counter or on my floor, and when it gets full, I put it in the machine, turn it on at night, and then by morning I have this really nice dry byproduct. I'm beyond delighted with the size and efficiency of this food waste processor from FoodCycler. I think you're gonna love it as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.